talking about JEE preparation, I think there is JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and boards, right? Many students, they prepare for all three of them. Many students are confused कि इन तीनों के बीच में कैसे balance करना है. So quickly we want you guys to comment on कि how do students should go about optimizing for this, boards, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, कैसे prepare करना चाहिए इन तीनों चीजों के लिए, right? Pranav, I would like to start from you, right? And
well, I'd say that the boards preparation do not actually require a specific amount of time. So like pre-boards are actually a very great starting point for complete preparation for boards.
Okay.
That is the time when you should forget your mains and advanced for some time, for like that's around 2 weeks gap.
Okay.
So at that time, just focus on your boards and forget your mains and advanced.
Okay.
Once boards are complete, mains is generally right in line.
Right.
So, and frankly speaking, boards and mains preparation is not quite different. It's the practice of MCQs which you should have done beforehand, which will matter for mains. But for advanced, like once mains is over, then just go for higher concepts, go for higher problem solving, and shift your focus from mains, because there are topics which are not common in mains and advanced. There are topics which are skipped in advanced.
Yes.
So you can literally skip them out.
Yes.
And the topics which are more focused on in advanced, you should study them in depth and spend more time on them.
Interesting. Sarvesh, JEE Mains or JEE Advanced की preparation में, what's the difference and how should student, just change that guess there?
Okay. So I'll add on like boards also in that. Like see boards, mains and advanced. So boards से just पहले you should literally read the chemistry and physics NCERT completely, as much as you can, because this will help you. Means उसके अलावा boards and mains में फर्क क्या बचा? Like for boards you just have to see just the mock papers for how to write the solutions. Besides that, the NCERT is complete for boards, and like this reading of NCERT will help you for mains and advanced both. And इसके बाद like boards are done, so you can just NCERT you have read, so you don't have to care much about the NCERT. Chemistry you can read, but physics I don't think you need to read again and again. Then just solve the MCQs for mains and revise the old stuff. Once the mains is done and you have to start for advanced, what you should do for physics and maths is revise the formula sheets that you have made during the first round of revision, because that's the best and fastest way to revise all the concepts of maths and physics and not miss out on anything. And then just solve a set of problems for like the topic, a good set of problems. For chemistry, like sir said before, denote 1 hour for learning of inorganic chemistry every day, half an hour or 1 hour, so that it means you are in a habit and you keep it retained till the end. For organic and physical, it's again like revise everything, and for physical, create a formula sheet again and learn that, and then solve a set of problems in a timed manner, like 90 minutes, 30 problems or 60 problems, 60 tough problems or 30 tough problems, and then take doubts of that and write those in the doubt notebook or anything, so that you can revise that and take it till the end.